This channel is making over $11,000 per month. I'm going to break down the overall process for this faceless YouTube automation niche and give you the most beginner-friendly process so you can create something similar by the end of this video. If you want an even more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to automate your YouTube channel and online business, click the link in the description. You'll find all the specific systems, workflows, and processes to automate any online business idea you have so that you can make unlimited passive income. I've also put all the tools that I'm going to talk about in the description, so be sure to click those to sign up for free accounts and the best deals. Step 1. Research the history niche. Let's start by researching the history niche on YouTube and using vidIQ to find topics people are interested in. If you don't have it yet, install the vidIQ Chrome extension and create an account using the link in the description. It's free, but there's also a paid version with more features if you want more. Once it's installed, go to YouTube and search for different history topics like World War II, ancient civilization, or Egyptian history. You'll see extra information on the right side of your YouTube page, search volume, competition score, and related keywords. For example, search for Ancient Egypt and let vidIQ show you how many people are searching for it each month. It'll show a search volume score. Aim for terms with high search volume and medium or low competition. Step 2. Set up your YouTube channel. Once you've found a few solid topics and you've decided what type of history you want to focus on, set up your channel. Choose a name that reflects the history content you're sharing, like Lost Legends or History Uncovered. It's important that your name is memorable, but still gives viewers an idea of what to expect. Once your channel is created, add a profile picture and banner. If you don't have design experience, use a free tool like Canva, where you can pick and customize a YouTube banner template. Don't waste too much time on this step. Make everything clean, simple, and be decisive. Step 3. Research video ideas. Go to your vidIQ dashboard and now search for keywords, focusing on topics you saw during your initial research. Let's say you choose Ancient Egypt as your niche focus. In vidIQ, type in Ancient Egypt Secrets. vidIQ will show you related keywords with higher search volumes or lower competition. Write down these keywords and phrases. This becomes your list of potential video ideas. After doing some digging, I've come up with the video idea entitled The Horrifying Truth About Pharaohs. The keyword pharaohs has medium competition according to vidIQ, so I'm confident with that. Step 4. Write a script. This is where ChatGPT makes things so much easier. Open up ChatGPT and type in a prompt like this. Copy and paste this ChatGPT-generated script into a fresh Google Doc. Add your own touch and make sure that you double-check all the information. The thing about a history channel is that the video editing doesn't have to be crazy, but the script needs to be accurate. So double-check all the information. Whenever I want to fact-check something quickly, I copy the statement I want to check, head over to Gemini and say, "Tell me if the following is factually accurate, and give me sources to back your claim." Then, I paste the statement. Gemini usually does a good job of fact-checking, but if it doesn't work, then just check manually on Google. This is the only part of the process where you need to put in extra effort. Step 5. Generate a voiceover. If you don't feel comfortable recording your own voice, 11 Labs has realistic AI voices that you can use. Sign up for a free 11 Labs account using the link in the description if you don't already have an account. Click on Text-to-Speech, then paste your script into the text box. You'll see options to choose different voice styles. Pick one that matches the tone of your history channel. I'm going for a deep, mysterious, documentary-style British voice. Then click Generate, and 11 Labs will create a voiceover. Download this once you're happy with it. Step 6. Find and create visuals. Since this is a history channel, you'll need copyright-free images and footage. You can search on Google Images, so we can type in pharaohs, click on Tools, and then pick Creative Commons licenses under Usage. This is for if you want accurate, real-life images, which will be relevant to a lot of history videos. Pexels and Pixabay are also fantastic resources, where you can find high-quality, copyright-free footage. Just search for terms like ancient Egypt ruins or pyramids. Another option is Leonardo AI, which lets you create unique, AI-generated images based on specific prompts. For example, if we want cool images of pharaohs, we can go to Leonardo AI, enter a prompt like ancient Egyptian pharaoh in traditional attire, and it'll generate an image you can download and use. Make sure to find plenty of footage and try to have a mix of real-life and generated images. Step 7. Put everything together. Once you've got your visuals, it's time to edit everything in CapCut. This is a free and beginner-friendly editing tool that you can sign up for using the link in the description if you don't have an account already. Open CapCut and start a new project. First, upload your 11 Labs voiceover. Once your voiceover is uploaded, drag it to the timeline. Now, add your images and videos. Place each image or video clip in the timeline to match your voiceover, and trim or extend each visual to fit the narration. If you want to add text, select the text option in CapCut and type something like ancient Egyptian pharaoh over relevant visuals. You can even adjust the text color, font, and size to fit your channel's style. CapCut also has transition options to make your video look more professional. Go to Transitions, pick one that suits your content, maybe a simple fade or dissolve, and place it between clips. This keeps the video smooth and visually engaging. You can also add royalty-free music in CapCut, but just make sure that it's not too loud and distracting. The great thing about a history channel is that you don't need crazy video editing, like with other niches. If you have a really strong script and voiceover, you can keep the actual video editing fairly slow-paced, especially if you're going for a dramatic effect. Of course, don't make it boring, but keep it overall quite simple so that the editing isn't distracting. Step 8. Upload your video. Go to YouTube, click Create in the top right, and select Upload Video. While your video is uploading, vidIQ can help you optimize it for search. Use the keywords from your initial research in the title and description. I can keep the title The Horrifying Truth About Pharaohs, and then in the description, I can briefly explain what viewers will learn. Then, scroll down to add tags, which vidIQ will help generate. For the thumbnail, you can use a Canva thumbnail template so you have the right size. Delete everything, and then upload one of your Leonardo AI images. Then, just add a few words that will make the viewers want to click. For my thumbnail for this video, I'll add a scary-looking image of a pharaoh and write the word evil with an arrow pointing at the pharaoh. The thumbnail should make people curious enough to click, but also be relevant to your video. Step 9. Repeat and keep going. While it is possible for your first video to go viral, the harsh reality is that it probably won't. You'll need to stay consistent and keep going for your channel to really grow. This isn't a one-and-done process. Aim to repeat these steps and make one video a week. The more videos you post, the better YouTube's algorithm will recognize your content. Over time, your channel will grow as long as you keep providing valuable and interesting videos. Stick with it. Analyze your video performance using vidIQ's analytics and keep improving. If you have any questions about YouTube automation, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. What type of history content are you thinking of making? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.